Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're back with another one, Bafetu. Straight from a 2-1 victory, Bafetu just beat the Polokwane City. I'm with Ghost, I'm with Mr. Mlambo as well, Bafetu. Sibuyile Mapagania to analyze this one. Ghost, Mr. Mlambo mnani.
Washo sibuda wathi hoyi ama-champ abuyile bafethu. We here to unpack igame lePolokwane asambeni.
Yeah, Ghost, grand one.
Hayi mnandi kakhulu. Yabona e-studio kuqhuma i-Amstel indoda hayi. Easy just jabulile.
Easy just Mr. Mlambo, obviously we didn't get a chance to go Polokwane old Peter Mokaba Ntanga, but at least he tried to have PhD to give us his analysis, thoughts on his post-match interview.
Khohla mfethu, that's our fighter. Uvale izinto ezibhaya, like
Yeah.
always says this ukuthi he's here to serve for iBhakane.
Yeah.
And igama like eli important.
Yeah.
He's here to serve. Noma like bangaphosela izinto ezinjani kuye. It's gonna take them because uthanda iBhakane.
Sandy Pagan.
Walwela no nama president ama chairman
Yeah.
which is ndanga into enkulu yabo.
Yeah.
Then I saw kuma comments people always want to justify themselves to be right in, but I wish you PhD mfethu. We can't allow anyone to disrespect our chairman. Those people are leaders for a reason.
Yeah.
All of them.
Yeah. You can disagree with them, but disagree in a respectful manner.
That's why he even said ukuthi the only way to disagree with them is through logic. Yangithola ukhulume nabo. But chairman, we're not getting games.
Yeah.
Today I was watching Robert Marawa no Kaizer Motaung June. Yang understand that Robert Marawa was asking uKaizer yangithola ukuthi what's happening ekhosi. Like mekambuza izinto like namafena angathanda kumbuza khona.
Yeah.
Which is that makes sense. Rather than so yamshaya, so yamthuka, it doesn't make sense to me.
Makaphendula umarawa thini.
Uyasho ukuthi the team needs results yangithola for Kaizer Chiefs must get results yangithola. Ukuthi decisions are going to be made and they're going to be made if the results are not coming.
But the results aren't coming. You must
Yeah,
be
Marawa, like,
he's sharing away.
Marawa basically into mekayibuza ukuthi labo coach love the co-coaches
Yeah.
bazohamba nini? Are they going to stay for the remaining of the season or bazohamba anytime soon? That was his response. I understand.
That's it.
What's I saying? I respond na they have until the target is for them to get a Champions League spot.
Yeah.
Imagine.
You watched that one?
Yeah, ngibona ama snippet
I watched
ira
it,
ku
it's
X.
yeah, it's 1 hour.
And
So
ngibone vie namakhosi bewatoyitoya la mafena ira
Yeah.
inechildren.
Did it materialize that thing?
Yeah, they went. I was watching the
Who will
news
send you
early. Yeah,
yeah.
vandaag kyabona da the Kosi faithfuls.
Yeah.
Di alla di rjoti liva memorandum da baditiba. Hey, men ganga.
You didn't get a chance to deliver that memorandum.
No, I don't think they did.
Mabayithi livelo wayebangayi kwakhe. Bazomthola.
That's a pity why LTD. It's a
Yeah.
privately owned entity.
Yeah.
Rights of entries reserved.
Ntona kirere atwa tsara if le batla chisa le tsa mo ibula nka ika
Yeah.
tsela kirere ke.
This is a family business.
Those guys are not serious if it's good. Thoughts on the PhD's post-match interview.
Re lebogile Mofokeng. Da bona ba ya pekurile ya kubulala. I like a really fit. What I like is kid really like it. What I like,
Yeah.
I feel like Young Express. So yeah, I liked a lot. That part obviously and everything that Nengo touched on as well. But yeah, my highlight was the part I really fit. No player ever in the country fit can be compared to really.
Really, ne?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's our Cocomelon. And so I wish I could go back to that era.
Yeah. With 2000.
Late 2001. Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful from PhD in Danga. Of course, happy belated birthday to Mpota Talent
Mbata.
Mbata, Melusi.
Today akamelusa ngithi akuseka kamelusi today. It was yesterday.
It's today, but we were slang it so
Oh, yeah,
really
so,
success.
yeah.
So I'm happy belated
Sure.
birthday one. And then jumping straight into it, Mr. Mlambo, obviously, you were playing at the old Peter Mokaba. And so I saw our coach wanted us to go to the new Peter Mokaba. Do you see that one, coach?
Yeah.
Sure.
And so,
Yeah.
everything, you must find a way to win in any condition. Young John. I'm glad that we won, Young John, in Tanzania. But you must find a way. Because when you go to Africa, you'll find the artificial grass. Are you gonna complain to say, I want real grass? Young John, in Tanzania. You have everything. It's just produce results. Young John.
Yeah.
What I like is that he complained and then he got a result. So it doesn't really matter for me. Young John, in Tanzania. They enjoyed. Obviously, it wasn't the best of conditions. It was rainy, Young John, in Tanzania. Even the football, it wasn't that beautiful. People were slippering, Young John, in Tanzania. But for me, in Danga, when it gets to this stage of the season, it's all about results, Young John.
Sure.
Get results. If it's okay performances, we'll analyze our performance because we have to analyze, Young John.
Yeah.
But get the results. If it's get the results, Young John. Because no if it's like any one thing, like if it's because umuzu PhD with yena uwabheka kanjani lama game, Young John, now that we on the title race.
Yeah.
Because some people will tell you straight, ukuthi mina fethu, I don't care about Sundowns. It's in our hands.
Sure.
Let's win our games, Angithola, and win them convincing with a better goal difference, Angithola. For me, Ndanga, we do our job and then ngayinyaminya, Angithola, we do our job ngayinyaminya, Angithola. Hey, that game if it being because I kept on going that side to see, Angithola. And I didn't have much confidence in Golden Arrows because I had Mancoba Mngcethi's interview. You really
pre-match.
Pre-match.
Yes,
And I was like, this guy, is he really going to give Sundowns 3 points? But for me, it's like, if you manage to beat them, first round,
Yeah.
you go in there with confidence to say,
Sure.
we can do twice. We know the weaknesses. But if you go there and say, if you beat Sundowns, we beat. If they beat us, they beat us.
Yeah,
They're better team
best
than
team in
us.
the league. Yeah.
I'm like, this guy, if it did he get a brown envelope somewhere that you don't know? Or maybe he doesn't want us to take the league.
I now was disappointed.
If it, I
in
was
those
really,
comments.
really, really disappointed. One saw like it as well. And then when Sundowns went 1-0, 2-0 up, I was like, I really
Makes sense,
expected this one. So they got a red card, got excited nyana on so 2-1 kirai if it was so maraka yiki means like ikamurona we are struggling in the one so like it Polokwane is equalizing, it becomes 1-1 one so like it but it is different. Yeah, we got 3 points, Mr. Mlam. Yeah.
I mean, one thing about me, Mfethu, I care about Pirate now. I'm fun ukuthi phasisa ngenhliziyo ebuhlungu. I mean, I didn't care what's happening at Sundowns unless it's TV meyingibonisa. Because I didn't baveza la kancane. But I didn't check. Because I was worried about our game. We were playing it condition difficult. And they like I kind of got to hear the point of coach Mageti. Why bangasifakanga ngara sidlale yangithola. Yes, I hear also your point ukuthi ukudlala raso uhlangana nazo lezinto eAfrica. But coach wethu mekakhalela ukuthi PSL is the best league yangithola in Africa. So let's make it the best.
Yeah.
Asekele lezinto eziningi. But like what was important, it was us to get the results. And it was difficult now. But the very person mega shine. For me, it was Apolis. Apolis was there. And I was surprised to put me there. But
yeah. Me too.
But I think Skomota got a chance within 5 minutes. And we good with scoring before, like within 20 minutes. That's what we have seen about us. The game achieves, we start strong. The game there, we start strong. And all this season, I'm a game up by strong. If Skomota scored there, makes by defense too. We didn't capitalize our chance. But we kept on going. We shown like who we are champions, and now we are running for this thing.
Yeah. So you impressed about our performance?
Yo, mina I was, in fact, it was difficult for any team to come back from that. They are 1-1 layer.
Yeah.
Yes, we're not supposed to be scored. But after, in fact, for you to head up, for you to get back, it's not easy. After all these chances you have missed. iPirates akudala mengeke ibuye lapho. But now we're showing ukuthi nathi sikhona bafethu Sundowns, don't count us out. That's why ngisho ukuthi mina I'm focusing on Orlando Pirates. I do not care about those ones. Tina, if we win our games, things are going to happen for us.
Yeah.
Washo uJwaha wathi asekeni ukuthandaza umthandazo wabathakathi. Nayi ibhakani yasisithandazisa kabuhlungu.
Yeah. But it's in our hands, Ghost. But it's not entirely in our hands because it's goal difference.
Sure.
And you are on par, like we are like this. We can win all our games and still not take it. So, but I get where Mr. Mlambo is coming from. You have to get like convincing results to lift it.
Sure.
Thoughts on the game?
In fact, the boys need to finish. In fact. Yeah, I think they need to finish. In fact, like one other game, we could have buried a lot of chances.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah.
I think coaching to Tamile, this thing it's easy. If you practice this thing, you are gonna be good at it. In fact.
Yeah.
I practice it right in fact, let's practice how to shoot.
Yeah.
I never miss a song, I'm fit. We never fit. Chance by so fit. Bombo tuma ba mesa, bo police ba mesa, I'm fit to borile ba mesa. Skomota ki batli lubu, I'm fit. Mbata, muna yo, I'm fit to create a chance by it's nice. We just need to bury them. So I think the boys in fit to nice game. Just finish your chances, boys.
Finish your chances, ne?
Yeah.
Do you blame it on the entire squad or like your striking force? Because now I look at Mbutu, man, I look at the Skomota. I know Fitorana, I used to look at Skomota and say, we need to get a strike. And then Butuma came in, I was slightly confident to say, I think maybe we found one.
Yeah.
But at this point, I'm saying, maybe we need to go back. And like, no, not even going back to the market. I'm saying, let's give the Jong a chance. Because we saw Radio Man Lena. It didn't really want to like it. I'm like, these guys in fact bashing into the basic even before you get to the shooting. Like your first touch before you take a shot. Sometimes it sets you off and end up being a miscued shot. That Mutuma one is bad. Shangi answered it. That one is bad. Okay, fair enough. When that was exaggerating. I was coming. Then I learned anything now. So I ended up saying it's bad. Yes, go yeah, one on one, yeah.
Oh, Bobam Kayang.
No, Moy Shayang. It's not that bad. Let's be honest. It was on target. We could see what he was trying to do. I'm not expecting much from him. I was expecting it. And even when he went through, like, it's not confidence out of to be honest. But in Mutuma, like, it's bad. Mutuma has been giving us these chances. What he makes it obvious. Now I look at my striking force and saying, you guys need to do better. You really need to do better.
No, at the moment, definitely. They are not as clinical.
Yeah.
But in fact, active man na tichonga akimbono re akaba solution ya rona da.
You know what's the thing, Ghost?
Can I interject
Yeah.
there? I think Butuma and Skomota played so well for me first half.
Yeah.
Because you've seen when Skomota went to the side, De Jong would get in there.
Yeah.
We understand the Ghost.
Sure.
If Skomota esayidini or ayenzani, uDe Jong uyangena lapha.
Sure.
If uSkomota laphaya uzothola uDe Jong outside and that's the thing engiyithandile mfethu. Uyabona lento le yabo. As much as ucoach make badonse boyi2 angisho.
Sure.
Same time, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah,
but
yes,
but mina for me that thing of them was working. uSkomota make phumile, uDe Jong uzosivala lesa space. If uSkomota da, uDe Jong uzosuka la. I like that.
Okay. I mean, I've been saying as an out and out 9, I don't think you can be our solution.
You know what's the thing? I was about to get there, Ghost. When I'm done that game that I saw, because then I was off that same impression that this guy won't make it. But that game that I didn't see, and at that time I think Kirigana go let him boop one so. that game in Dana, he really convinced me, Mr. Mlambo. I don't know about you, and so
Yeah.
I know it was against
Kazrick.
Kazrick at that time. And so it's obviously slightly a lesser opposition when it comes to quality. And so like they are not on PSL standard.
Yeah.
But that game, Dana was really
But they were
convinced.
on the PSL standard, you know.
Young John. Yeah?
They were on the PSL standard because they gave us problems compared
Okay.
to PSL standard. As much as they've played with second division, but their performance badlala like on our division.
Yes. And another thing, they just won even today.
Amazulu.
They
against
beat
Amazulu.
they beat
Didn't
Amazulu
watch the
and
game.
so now yontanga you can say Lubona, they are not that far off.
They are not.
You
They
can
are not.
understand why they've been pushing to get into our league and
Sure.
failing a few times.
Sure.
At some point, I believe they're gonna come.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
believe they're gonna come. Kostindana, let's give him a chance. I don't know if we gave Radio Man a chance. We gave Skomota a chance. We gave Mutuma. Okay, Mutuma at least is banging some goals. So like you
Sure.
can't really bad. It's terrible. And so like, at least
Sure.
he misses sometimes like big chances, but at least he scores. And so then he doesn't shy away from that responsibility of being in the 18 to get those chances.
Sure.
One so. But now for I'm saying, let's give De Jong a chance.
I feel we can give him another chance.
De
But
Jong is versatile.
What do you
no,
mean another Ntwana? Because to another game he didn't see Ntwana. Yeah, more than as a
Even
nine.
now,
Sure.
Kupulukwane, Ntanga, for me, it was not bad. I'm
he
saying again,
was not.
De Jong is versatile. De Jong can play as a 9 and as a 10. I'm telling you, if you can watch that game and what I'm telling you, he ends again. If uSkomoto uyasuka la, indlela enikhala ngokuthi uSkomoto unokuya esayidini and you want your striker to be there.
Yeah.
uDe Jong bekasivala lesa space lesiya.
Yeah.
Vice versa. I think uDe Jong mfethu like ucoach I think umspanise grand le game leBulukwane from my eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, it wasn't an outstanding performance from De Jong.
It wasn't, but like at least like a combination of
Yeah, you can maybe you can
it's
keep
getting somewhere.
You can give them that. But Mina Skomota once he goes to the side in Dang. Let's be honest. In fact, like it becomes a liability for us.
How?
Because in fact, even that game, he went to the side a few times and took what I expected him to do when he goes to the side.
What did he
And
do?
so, and then I will decide my ball and like easy balls. Young doll in danger.
That guy.
I would listen amanye amabholo like easy balls in fact. I was negotiably blue ntwana. Blue like ngani once it's a mistake ntwana he was on his neck. OT on so like
Sure.
trying to calm the room to say if taram guy chance. But nantanga when he goes inside in ntanga. When you choose guy
Here my
something.
point was I'm saying if he goes on the side, you don't sama defender. That's why I'm saying if ungalibheka la game,
Yeah.
I want you to go and watch that game foot if you get a chance. If lo mjudu esayidini, unozomlandela. That's when uDe Jong mekangena lapha. If unga-check first half, mekuhlale kunomuntu lapha. If unga-check, there was always some point. I'm telling you, there was always someone there.
So
if
is it not
unga-check.
the thing of Magaye party side were effective? It's the thing of don't defend.
That's also being effective. Ntanga, if like no goes to my game in, ugosi ngithasele ugosi uyangilandela, you must know ukuthi phela sekune space la.
Yeah.
Umuntu ekuzomela ngene lapha it's either defensive midfielder yabo. Kuyenzakalana aborile bathola space la. So those guys basically are off position. That's what I'm saying.
But if you are landed and then maybe they are
Uzoba
right back
necover.
covers. Easy. Listen to my scenario.
Sure.
Utati maybe 4 and 5 one uyana ngai. Magaya na right on the right. Right back yon itaka in say shy 4 and 5 yongithola.
Sure.
And then that's on a space.
Yeah.
And then leya bolo lenzakala ukuthi because akuna space you must give it to Skomota.
Yeah,
What
then-
does it do when he
Then
has that ball on
senzani
the side?
siyadlala. We build. Pela
For me,
Ntanga-
it becomes a liability
Phela
when he's
Ntanga,
on the side.
each and every move you build up. I would every time akezoya le izosebenza. Each and every move you build up. If ayisebenzanga sharp, ibhola saqala futhi we rotate the ball, uyabuyela espacing sakhe. Bazobhoboka.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
No, I hear you, Mr. Mlambo. Rating yaga Coach AP.
I think it's a 10 for me Ntanga. Ntanga ungishayile Ntanga like mangibona uDe Jong noSkomota and I'm busy saying that. Mina I was surprised ukuthi hey De Jong uqalile.
Yeah.
But I think it's worked. as much as we didn't convert ama-chances ethu, and we can't cry ku-coach ukuthi asiconvertanga ama-chances ethu. Ama-players now must take accountability. Skomota got a chance, Moremi got a chance, Tito got a chance, uGhost uyakhala ngawo. No, abadlali abakore mfethu ucoach ngeke akhahlele. And I've seen ukuthi they were doing some things mebaziyenza ejimini. Kunale bhola leli uFan Rooyen is coming from the right. I think uphasa uMoremi ubekela apolice loop Mbuthuma, score Mbuthuma.
Yeah.
Did you see that move?
Yeah.
Mbuthuma score, ucoach mekazoyenzani mfethu.
Yeah.
Nazoba minyawula kaMbuthuma. I think tanga we play so well ukuthi thina we didn't convert our chance njengoba uGhost asho.
Hey, I'll be honest, and I wanna see I sometimes when I become emotional, I don't wanna lie with.
Yeah.
Because if you don't wanna pull over like that or
Sure.
you are one. You nikislanya ku fit. Kilo uthi wayenza polipoli fit. Like why is this guy taking or everything gibila fit like negibila onto.
Sure.
But immediately itito uyalihlaba and
Got a chance also.
ungena udaheri.
Tito got a chance also.
Young but me, I don't agree with the police going out there. Fit.
Same.
I don't agree with the police going out there.
Yeah, le night one. I think that I'm fit to loka don't support that I'm fit. You need a goal, fit.
You shouldn't be
One, two.
desperate.
At that time, I think it was one need. at that
Nisanzanile
time.
one need.
Yeah, Nisanzanile one need.
Yeah.
Our equalizer. That's what I'm saying. Mara, this guy is shiny the wrong. One so like it. He really na this telling you so change to the bye. This guy police is not game in that coast.
Yeah,
If it I can in the release of Cocomelone. Mara fana na that if I want to put in it, I desperately want to put in
Sure. True.
Yes. Yeah. I think both those players, in fact, for me, it's not the players that you sub. In fact, they have a goal in them. One,
Sure.
so I don't know. I'll find another plan. In fact,
But it's worked, my chance.
Yeah, it worked.
Because
Yeah,
Tito
it
got
worked.
2 chances, Magengen. 2.
Yeah.
Could have scored 2. It's up yak. That means it's worked.
Do you agree with the 10 out of 10, Mr. Man?
yeah, for the win, in fact, so Kamka 80. I
Yeah.
don't think we can penalize him a lot. We got the result. That's what we wanted.
Ne?
Yeah,
Yeah, I agree with the 8, in fact.
sure.
I agree with the 8. Guest of Kata. Yeah, yes. Did you watch the case? Or Afita, fellow audiences are participating.
Hey, so when you say traumatized in face.
Extramatized again.
And because he fair and paid.
Long tooth.
What did they blind?
Oh, I ran into Renara, Mokusia strike around.
I what like next in face.
Support us.
Oh, yes, Lani.
Keep all my formula wayanda.
Because no clean of face. I can share this one.
Who can you form Musa and then?
Next in face.
I into it, and you will stop one if you are close to that.
Because no clean of face.
What Domina was stubborn if it. Down a team, down. No team, literally. One
Lava kanka KPNG for 1 year, but next after 1 season.
You know what I go kill a what I interview, Papa. Nigwata, Lipisti, Nigwata, get a moyo, and after
Yeah.
if it will when I'm so dejected in the this guy is defeated, it's like if it, you know what? I will tell them most questions by my man. Tomorrow morning, I'm expecting breaking news. I don't want to be saying a lot of things. I'm defeated. Then number 2, because even the PhD on our way home, or the more, because that gap it's like in fact maybe it's all a brown envelope from management.
Yeah.
Even when the team is in a mess, it still want to continue and try to defend Kaizer Chiefs management, and those type of things, they make even the management take advantage. Because they see the team is bad, but when you check defense, defense is one of your stakeholders. They're saying, but these guys are not complaining that much.
Yeah.
Maybe let's leave these guys. Maybe let's leave them and finish the season.
Sure.
But if you come and be firm, to say this is unacceptable.
Sure.
Okay, your pressure la kudimo da.
Yeah.
So that mentality of saying, I'll defend my team, whatever it takes, even when you see where things are bad.
I spy.
It won't work.
But even Beekeeper does that. I
Yeah.
think we have different supporters. Beekeeper,
Yeah.
unyiwa ndoda. So smell Beekeeper.
No,
So
but
smell
beekeeper with you can understand where he's coming from. He justifies it to say, in fact, last season,
Sure,
you
sure.
cannot be frustrated by 2 losses.
Yeah.
He's sensible. He's
Sure.
not emotional. He's saying, it's 2 losses or it's 1 lose.
Yeah.
He will come back.
Sure.
But if you're saying, Mr. Mlambo, your team is in shambles, in fact, is in shambles, in fact, you're still trying to defend that type of team. Oh,
When
and,
you're a fan, you're a fan.
yeah.
Mina into engizona ma uyifan uyifan.
No, Maui fan.
Maui fan,
I don't disagree with him, Maui fan. But what I'm saying is, like if now ufuna ukuthi izinto change eteamini yakho, you must change your tune. If you don't want to change your tune, then uzoyidefenda why loses. Yangithola into enjani. Moving on to our goalkeeper uSipho Chain.
Akhohlwa le ayilida mfethu. Ngisasho. I don't blame him on the goal. I blame the defense. Balele labantu abavuki. Cash mfethu second ball. Fight that ball mfethu. Okay, sharp. Cash akalwinanga. Siyema Van Rooyen. Asilweni isikhiphe le yanto.
But you know, Cash Ndanga, I won't blame him that much because that first ball he win a.
That's why ngisho ukuthi
That second ball fade bamshayile ngecha.
bamshaya. That's why ngisho ukuthi okay now ngikhesh ulele Van Rooyen Siyema vukani.
Yes.
Phela le yanto ingene phakathi kwabo mfethu.
Yes.
Sipho there was nothing she could have done.
Sure.
But Sipho when he was called upon the test he was there. Kunalentwana leyo mathuludi lapha shine ntukuntu first half. And then you saw the pitch Benjan. Wayibamba uSipho ngathi
laser
akusinext.
straight, yeah.
It's not difficult. It's not easy mara mfethu.
Yeah.
You saw the pitch, you saw the bumps. I think uSipho mfethu gives us that. Whenever mfethu noma amathima angezikithi whenever it's called upon, Sipho is going to be there.
Yeah.
And so that's why I'm saying I don't blame him on the goal Ndanga. The goal Ndanga, there was nothing she could have done.
Yeah.
But I think he plays so well.
Yeah. Do you think he played well, Post?
Yeah, not a lot to complain about Gusipo. Besides the usual, he likes to relax at Polo. Or when 1-0 down, 1-0 up, we could still push Russia cooling. But I'm saying we will always lie down, no?
Yeah.
So yeah, but over and above that, I think let's grand. Yeah.
I think I agree with Mr. Mlambo. Like that goal, I blame it more on defense.
Yeah, definitely.
Van Rooyen and I think NCM, my face. Come on, face. Come on, face. Bounce.
Yeah, I think it's more than Van Rooyen.
I agree with Ghost.
Yes. Oh, okay.
One turn.
You can go.
And remember, I said this in Danaga to say sometimes he let a ball bounce.
Sure.
Once all, and that ball is not supposed to be bouncing.
Yeah.
He's slow to react. If you're aggressive and saying this ball is mine,
Sure.
that's his position. And so, okay, Van Rooyen to more cover because you can in between. But my bounce and thing, it bouncing on your area.
Sure.
You must command that area.
Yeah.
Even for them to learn aggression. To say, I know, right, bounce, it's going to be a dangerous ball.
Sure.
And so I need to clear it before it bounces.
Yeah.
Never a chance.
Yeah, var. Lena, that's how I feel.
See, Mandala needs to, but we'll get to see him. So, but on that goal, I can't blame Sipho Chain. So I think his defense let him down. That's why I'm saying even Cash that he won the first ball, the second ball.
I contest.
Yeah.
Second ball I contest.
That's why ngisho ukuthi iqala ku cash. Iqala ku cash.
Mara costume, it's very difficult to win like 2 balls.
Kanjani?
Yeah, like we defended every 2. Mto Amy, attacking player, it's like mat. Obviously, he has a jump on him because already it's a mat. Mto aiming, it's very more to jump on him. So let's jump, it's all fair. You can only look at that ball. For me,
For me, it could have. That's why I'm saying iqala ku cash. Okay,
Sure.
cash akawinanga. Abo CM abavuki. Because no cash mekangayilwele ngithukile ukuthi le ayigurasha ucash kanje.
Yeah,
the last line of defense. Anything mangabe mele umdonse lo muntu umuyise bathola ifoul, we can do that.
but Mr.
I'm
Mlambo,
feeling
let's
as
be
I
honest.
compete along the ball, okay.
The second one.
Yeah.
The second one.
Dabe nyeke ntangamtons because it wasn't a dangerous ball. Let's be honest.
He scored us.
Eh? No, but I'm saying before the goal, so like there's a people who are dangerous. They all see with hey, this. If I let this guy maybe angle, maybe it's a 1-on-1 or something like that. Down with it's in the middle, it's congested. It defense is in place. No one is all over the place. We all looking at this ball. So I just want the first ball, in fact. The second ball, the guy is a jump on me because of just losing a pace. I'm looking at my defense. Or defense, deal with this ball. In fact. As simple as that. Deal with that ball. And so on.
Sure.
So I don't blame him too much on Shane. I don't think he had too much to do when you think about it. So I don't think Polokwane gave us too much problems now.
Yeah.
What do you think of his rating?
It's 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm got 7.
Yeah, I mean, I'd say 6 because he considered. Though I don't blame. I want him to keep clean sheet. He must shout those two guys there, that Van Rooyen and CM.
Make sure CM clear.
Hey, and I know he's always on their neck, but I didn't see him like with that vigor to say, guys, you can't let this happen. And so,
Yeah, I think Glenn would go with the 6.
a 6, you know?
Yeah.
I think a 6 is fair. Moving on to my second, Ndango Van Rooyen.
I think Tanga is growing. Is growing, and that's what I've seen about him. Sometimes kwamanye amagame lento yakhe inverter phakathi inokusiza yangithola because uyakhona ukufaka ibhola on the center. The move she's have lacked ilapho umbuthuma kumela kwa. That was going to be a beautiful goal. Tanga ngiyabuya nyasho. My second game umuremi malibekela police kancane loop buthuma score malaka buthuma couldn't score. I think those were the highlights of Van Rooyen akasiphe wona ngithola. But apart from like he game long, I don't think like there was isn't this bike made as ends. Because Polokwane was not there. Maybe afuna ukudlala ngama throw in nje. Basibambe ngama throw in, I understand. They didn't have a bad game for me. It was just that ukuthi ngikhalile ukuthi bavumele kanjani la player lingene between yena no CM. Into engikhalise kakhulu. But apart from that angikhala kakhulu ntanga ngizomka 6.
A 6, ne? Can you believe in that was their first lose of the season at home?
Yeah, good really during the match.
Mara the way never saliwa ka thing there was no fight there from Polokwane. For me.
They scored in 85 minutes.
That's a
fight.
One chance and
Mesngathola 1 point.
you know, when you say sometimes the team is unbeaten at home, Mr. Mlam, I'm expecting when you go there, you're going to be under siege. Hey, okay, now I'm a draw, but I'm expecting a fight, young sure. But when you're saying you're unbeaten, but in fact all you do is just defend. Okay, maybe that's their target to get draws, young but you had a lot of chances to bury that game.
Yeah, VAR, and I think maybe it's also because they were playing against us. Maybe they changed their normal approach.
Yeah.
Sibadle kayi-2. Sibadle ku-MTN, sibadle ekhaya.
Yeah. Do you agree with Mr. Mlambo's rating, Ghost?
Yeah. I would go with the 6.
Nah.
Yeah.
Moving on to CM and then.
Yeah, CM and fit to Ish. I think that ball in relax it all.
Yeah.
But I think other than that, in fit to there's a grand boy. Yeah, that's not wrong. Although Spanish is a pie because Moti Nasa take Polokwane City Nasa take.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think let's a grand. Just that one mistake, boy. Make sure that ball I pump in fit.
And it costed us that mistake.
Yeah.
Costed us. You need to fix, in fact. You need to fix. I'm is a brilliant player, Mr. Mlambo. That's in fact too. Like the rare breed in that. And so
Sure.
once he fixes these mistakes, if it is going to be our next coming Bogas.
Yeah.
He has all the qualities, young dog. And he has a bit of height as well. That's what I like about it.
Sure.
Young dog. And I like the fact that he used to be a midfielder before he became a defender. So he's a ball player, natural.
Yeah.
I understand. What do you think of him?
I think ukosibeke kahle. And what I liked about him, i-1-on-1 ayawawina wonke lamabhola lawo. Uyazigayida lezi, uyazigayida azwini yabo. So but ngamupha leya mfethu, yes isikhostile kakhulu. le ukuthi igoli lepulukwana. But ngamgaya because he has been there for us. Yangithola but leya it was a bad mistake intanga. Into esingadinga ukuthi ayenze, he can improve from there intanga. But I think he can grow. Yabona lezi zinto lezi ziyamkhulisa naye. If he's someone who's willing to learn, ziyamkhulisa ukuthi hey next time I can't let the team down like this because babheke mina, you understand?
Yeah.
But uGhost uyibekile, there was nothing much to be done. Uboy uzobuya. But leya mistakes was a bad one.
Yeah. What do you give him, Ghost? Rating?
Ngamhlaba nge-6 naye nje, just to punish him for that error. But yeah, he played okay. Without that error, he'd go to a 7 or a 8. Yeah.
I give him a 5.
Same.
Until if it's that error, it was a bad error, Ghost, then it resulted in a goal.
Sure.
I think we must punish him for that.
Harshly.
Yeah?
Harshly.
No,
It's
I
not
think
harsh.
gonna little before. What's all that's harsh. What's all? See, that's the average performance.
Yeah.
If it's what's all average. And
Yeah, very bad, yeah.
moving on to CBC Ndang Polen.
Our captain.
It's
It's always fighting to prove us wrong.
wrong in that. You know, I
He
get that
deserves to be
feeling.
there.
What's it?
Like he always gives us this, hey, Bafethu, I deserve to be here.
Yeah.
Ulimele ngithi why ungaphumi ngene uJabathana ngithi ulimele wena before igame iqala. Mari fight ngisaphinda nyalo umbokazi washo sifuna insizwe ezilwayo. Insizwe iyalo leya mfethu iyalo mfethu and he's part of us. He's a Pagania, true one. He's not a star player or what, but you see that guy is a fight. And I'm saying he's proving us wrong ukuthi he deserves to be there. Think ama performances akhe ntanga ayakhula. And uyazama sekayazama ukushaya amabhola.
Ngifuna ukuzala.
Understand? Which is good. Yeah, it's nice.
I'm telling you, good. These guys, they listen to us. If it was it.
Sure.
Even to Bodela, you must look at Bodela. One of the things that I was criticizing Bodela about.
Sure.
Bodela is doing those things. In fact,
Sure.
I won't lie, young told.
Yeah.
And they're not that terrible. In fact,
Sure.
like they're like, what I want to pull my
Akaseko safe.
Hey, young told. And guess what, Mr. Mlam? He improve as a player. They understand.
Yeah.
He's not perfect, but he's trying, and you can see what he's trying. Young told in
Sure.
Dejan. And the more he tries, the more he'll get better at them.
Yeah.
I think it was a good performance in that.
Yeah.
Rating.
Guy 7. We are improve mfethu Bodlela kancane sisofika mfethu and improve ngesikhathi esi-right.
Yeah. I agree with the 7. Yeah, moving on to Tienoto.
Khohla. Madala. Mina mfethu that guy whips the ball.
Yeah.
Whips the ball. And imagine like into engichazayo. Him whipping the ball, is getting us goals. Or is being dangerous. Nama corners akhe.
Yo.
They are so dangerous.
Yo.
Ntanga. If like angathola lezi zakho lezi zasenal zakho wonke. Uyangizwa Ghost. If amabhola kaHots angathola senal wonke it's goal.
Hey, ngajabulisa ufaya kakhulu.
But iva. But iva.
You get a good aid.
So my point is delivering good crosses there. Good ones, Danga. And they like he's proving us ukuthi I'm a seasonal player and I deserve to play.
Yeah.
He's growing. And then the player lawa madala akhula ngesikhathi esigrand.
Is it grand? Yeah.
I would see like isizini qeda ukuqala. We need them.
Yeah.
That's goal yakatito. Elaka Hoto.
Yeah.
Anyone could have scored there. Okay, credit to Tito ukuthi he was there.
Sure.
But Ndanga Hoto, I think he was our best player. Him and Napolis, they were our best players on that
Yeah.
game.
Mfethu, I agree with you, Ntanga. You know, Mfethu, that guy is winning me over online. Mfethu, Mfethu, even when the season started, I'm saying, Ash, we really need to find someone who's going to compete. Because let's be honest, he was alone before Undaba came through. But now it seems like Undaba is pushing. Now we are born with it now. Because sometimes the competition is necessary. Sometimes when you're too comfortable, you can make a mistake when you know what's next week you are still on the lineup. Sure. Complacence can come in. But if you know what, hey, now I must be on my heels. If anything, coach is showing me the thought to say, here's another one who's trying to prove himself. Those crosses, Mr. Mlam. Yes. Says, Yo. I didn't expect mfethu ukuthi athi uthi yenoto mfethu.
But I told you.
Yo. Ah,
I
ntanga.
told you about that.
But I'll be honest, ntanga. For me, shy like mfethu.
No, like
This
no,
is
what's all?
metal and Maiza
Yeah,
Young
yeah, fair.
I'm only seeing them now.
Fair.
This guy is a crossing him. Let's be honest. You used to take our corners. We used to be frustrated. To free kicks, young same thing. You know, if maybe Shenko was on the pitch, young you do better.
Yeah.
But now goes to fit. Yo, that
He's
guy
dangerous.
whips them. Even corners in that.
Sure.
You see, even dangerous on corners.
Even like mone mona mara no ke aktive man re kenya batho ba few mo boxing.
Yeah.
Tlale man. See we mat 4 players nyana are competition. I
Yeah.
think we must tidy that 18 area, tidy keeper mfethu mtholo o hlohla crossed dangerous.
But
Le maidlela ya tswa mon.
But go still go when last you see us in the Kakona that chance Yambutuma where he gives it to Mahopa. Like
Mbata,
people are there. Mbata gives it to Mahopa. Like you can see people are there in that 6 year.
Sure.
Like we didn't have that.
Yeah.
Previously they were talking
From
about
looking at the Chiefs there,
so you can see something on the training field.
Sure.
It's happening.
Yeah.
It's happening. And if that guy, he must continue whipping them. You're going to get a few goals from set pieces.
Yeah, what close.
And,
You must give it to him. What shy.
Yeah. His performance.
Yeah, I think he was very good yesterday. I would give him a 7.
Nah.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'd
take
push
it
it
up.
higher. I'd push it higher. That guy was good.
It was good.
Sure.
He was good. Even when I you had some confidence to say how he I
Sure.
didn't see him doing those mistakes. Child was shy.
Sure.
Young Tol. Ungambeka va.
9 ngiyamnyusa nge2.
Yeah.
Yeah, nine.
Yeah. I'm fine to tell you. I mean, for me, he was my man of the match with it.
Yeah.
I was with it. Like, he's the most improved player for me. Young Jordan
Sure.
I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
That guy is winning me over. I like him. Yeah. What's all I get?
Sure.
He's winning me over. And I think that signing Yandawa, it was a necessary signing.
Yeah.
It was a necessary signing.
Sure.
But I also think he's the highest paid player of it. We shouldn't forget that.
Yeah.
This guy, we must give us these performances week in, week out.
Yeah.
This thing of you making lazy mistakes, can't.
It's not on.
I agree with the 9, Mr. Mnamwa. I think he's my man of the matches. Man of the match. I don't know about you, young sir.
Police.
Moving on to number 8, Blackburn. Cash and care.
For me, on that game, Cash was just average.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I've cried on my performances got Cash this season. But he was just there, just to give us structure. But like, nothing much. Because people really pan sidlalela kupulukwana. If you can check the first half, mehlale semapalini up. Even the second half, you saw Cash nombatha lapho nalapho.
Yeah.
But I always say he had a stellar performance or what.
Yeah.
But he was there. He was just average for me.
I agree with that, Ghost.
Yeah, I think not a lot to argue with, especially because that second challenge, contest leading to the goal. So yeah, I'll agree with an average performance.
Nah.
Yeah.
But for me, if it's okay, Maradona, you guys are crucifying Cash for the chance. He
Yeah.
won the second ball. In fact, why don't you say, okay, Mbata, where were you? And Cash won the first
Yes,
one.
Mbata was where?
Let Mbata win the second one.
The first time njengoba ukhesha hit iball umbatha meka la maybe yabona goes to va meka plomela meka ngeka fiki think ukhesh mbethi mekumela ajump
Yeah, yeah, ibhola uCashmila ayilwele nje ntanga
Cash,
akayilwelanga
Cash,
ntanga. I think it's
Ambata
for me that's how I
mfethu.
saw it.
yeah same
Yeah, no, I wouldn't blame him on that if I won't lie.
yeah
Yeah, for me, in fact, that's a performance that I expect from a number 6. I don't expect him to be a creative. Just defend, protect the back line.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it was average. I think it was just above average for me.
for me it was average
Yeah.
I won't lie to you
I'm
average 5
I agree with the 5.
Yeah.
I'm not giving me 650. I'm sorry.
Ah, say voted the Pips TV.
For not jumping, take it to a 5.
I mean, enough for me, you won the first ball.
Yeah.
The second ball, in fact. If you won it, you won it, in fact. And that guy had a jump on him. Moving on to one talent of
Ah, cause Londang computer there.
Yeah.
Senyora lapha ya. Kidinyora uthile. Yangithola. Lo muntu lo ubuya ku injury mara is always there to try and stabilize us. But I wouldn't say now he had a stellar performance for me. I think in Tanga from Tina our number 8, 6 we got kuma defense. There was nothing much to be done.
Yeah.
Except like Uhotu no Fanroyan because they had line. But bona, it was just congested there. Make labori, their police, blah 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 blah. But I think he was there because he was supposed to be there. But nothing much special. What was special? Ile pola galbuyisela uMakhupa de ukuthi idla Makhupa.
Yeah.
Khumbula leya khona leya.
Yeah.
That was special for me. But
Special,
akunye intanga akukho kuningi engakhala ngakho kumbatha. Yeah, I think ngamgaya sizomgaya masiqeda. But I think the mika khona.
Yeah, you can just give him.
Ngamka 7 because of that chance. That chance was important for me.
Yeah, I think I agree with the 7. Because I'm pulling in. I agree with the 7.
Yeah, I was looking at more of a 6, man. I think he could have given us more. But yeah, if you guys think a 7 is fitting, I'll take a 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Moving on to President Amatuke and Rele Mafuke.
Coco Melon, player of the month, January, February.
Yeah. Shout out to you.
Congrats. Really deserve it. Yabona mfethu kunala ama comparison ayenzakalayo na ku social media. Angangene ekhanda abafanasi. Mina nje just focus on your craft, do what you do best, you understand because lezo zinto zizomdistract. But Ntanga, I think that player is good, mfethu.
Yeah.
He was not there on the game. He was not marvelous on that game, but he scored.
No.
He ushayile free kick mfethu. That's what we need mfethu. He's proving himself ukuthi I can go ngaya and he wants the league. You can see that. Because whatever it's giving us, even if he's not playing, but it's also vital for us, young son. But not a good game from him, but at least to score.
Yeah. Now, if you were really fit, these questions that have been asked, maybe a journalist was Mr. Mnombo, you have been maybe compared to maybe Junior Kanya, for example, or Mshishi, or where. How would you approach it? Yeah, how would you approach that? Because I think in Nanga it's a difficult question. Then they pose these questions to these youngsters. They say, what do you
It's
think
not
people
right.
are comparing you?
It's not right. That's why
Because it's not
I'm
for him to
cool.
judge.
Sure.
I think like he's gonna answer like any player. Players are humble now. Uzomupha Mshishi because Mshishi has served the country with beauty. Yangithola like unamayeza abhaya. You understand? And you see abanye abantu they don't understand the comparisons. They say Mshishi when he was 21, really when he's 21. That's the comparison.
Yeah.
Not the overall. Pela, like if you can check Mshishi and really what they have contributed to South African football, Mshishi has contributed much because ube nesikhathi esibayo. It's like you're asking ngo Yamal no Mbappe.
Yeah.
You understand? Mbappe mfethu has done sekayenza izinto ezibayo.
Sure, even that comparison, sometimes they asked Yamil himself
Yangithola.
about Messi. People are comparing you. I think
Like,
that's an unfair
like,
question.
it's unfair,
It's
and
unfair.
like we shouldn't go there.
Exactly.
we shouldn't go. We should just enjoy the boy. Izinto akazenza kahle. That's why ngimkhuza ukuthi asingamngene ekhanda, but like
And
that boy is strong.
I think players now what they should normalize to like abstain from questions.
Yeah.
When he sees a journalist is looking for headline, he say, no, I won't answer that. Or instead, if maybe because sometimes it does that. Maybe if Yamal is being compared to Messi, it just give Messi flowers. Messi, I look up to Messi. There's no comparison there.
He was gonna do that.
Mina, if I'm a team, I'd advise my players. But if someone is trying to compare you with someone, just don't answer. Say, I won't answer that question. I'll leave it to the audience.
Yeah.
Because it's unfair on players.
It's unfair even to be compared no Mshishi mfethu.
Yeah,
It's unfair.
yeah.
No, it's unfair. Yes, sina singakhuluma sodwa, but maseke ibona. Really respect Mshishi much. We know that. Even nale game eSundowns you saw by embraceana each other. because umthatha njenge-Goodman, you understand? They should let the boy play the ball. Bayekela izinto ey'ningi. Yeah.
Uzomganga ku-7.
Oh, really? 7 because he scored, but like for me, he was not that superb.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7 because he scored.
I take the 7 Ghost.
I'm going 9 if it's Kokomelon.
Yeah.
Even for that goal, face where that goal.
Yeah.
Skomota with a money in there.
Uthi ungena na.
But let's offside the fella to it.
You see that kid? You go all like your kids, you want to celebrate. Like, it's
What a sharp as a kajisama. Keep pushing it yet. So I think fit to Cocomelon the good game if it could link up play la police the teaching. I think he had a good impact more game. His goal fit was much needed. It was not coming fit. We were knocking from all angles in fit was now my goal in fit. One so I really popped up with the header. Shortest man in the field. In fit, I came kinda in fit. I think now that's my man of the match.
the man of the match.
Yeah.
Oh, darn.
Yeah.
Hey, now apart from the goal, it didn't do much in fact.
Yeah.
You know when you are used to eating bread every day, I think it's normal, but it's a privilege. Yeah, I'll leave it at that.
For me, it wasn't a 9 out of 10 performance. I think it was more of a 7. He have read in fact.
Sure.
You know, on this day, he does things that are not done by human, but on this one. Moving on to Poli Ghost.
La Poli came in now. I think that's after relay that would be my man of the match. Kimka 8. Yeah.
Really?
Police. Yeah. He had a good game for me.
No,
was
yeah.
good. Shine bright like a police. That guy is shining yet our colors. That was our man of the match. That was my man of the match. Was better than really.
Yeah.
Good.
Sure. That's what I'm saying. In that game, when I saw Isab, Police, I'm like, I'm you can just take on free. Sometimes don't shy away from making big decisions.
It's only fair. I think my police from first half. Leya phanda ngiyayitshela ngayo akafani kwena guy Murray makulupela umbuthuma. That's an assist. Buthuma scored. It's an assist for our police. Our police was there. Ushayile na first half he was trying. And mayidlala nePulukwane ngathi angazi udleni ukubabonisa ukuthi hey nina hayi ukuthi ngibuya la. Yeah. But I think udlale mina that's my man of the match kulela game ntanga take nothing away from Morile and Abohutu. Mara mina police ntanga was there.
I wouldn't argue with that. Poli, I run a Poli special. Ghost, I will Poli special.
Not the
guy. Like, they're out in Dangane. Ik indulisele defender like life. Ayile number 1299 iyalibamba ilibeka kanje la ikubheke kanje ithi mfethu manje yakundlula yangithola into enjani athi soka ifitele kiraya this guy uyenzeka phaya mfethu ngithi this guy is special like it's special even when you try to, it's not someone who khona ama players sometimes ayangala mawucala ukuthi umtheka kancane iskipper seyangala ukuthi referee yangithola
sure
uyamtheka ntanga uyama uyayiprotect ntanga yangithola ungaka ngathi igundwa ngithola ungena kahle
police sine ambulance siphoyisa senza
hayi police fana o special
players wena injani kunomuntu ozoba rescuer
uyibona
lesibopha abantu nanga police siyababopha
uyibona after game adibina la li support
no thank you Tito you really that
no I didn't say that
so mama thulela amafela
sure
uya ulanda Tito udayini wa police yangithola Uyambonga for that last minute goal.
Yeah.
Thank you Tito.
Oh yeah.
Yazi Tito shy sekathi
Zomufili.
angizwa
Sure.
abale police is special.
Special.
That guy is special bafethu. That guy is going to be very 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 crucial in us taking the league.
And-
It's important that he must stay fit. He shouldn't go down.
And you know him and really they are fighting for play of the season. Both of them.
yeah,
Between them, I'm
yeah,
telling
yeah.
you, I one medal
Sure,
tour.
one must
Sure.
get it,
I'm not
one
being
must get
biased
it.
because he's South African Pirates fan.
Yeah.
Like it's only fair.
Mfana yo,
It's
it's only fair. It's
It's
only
only
fair.
fair.
Those guys are fighting. They're
Sure.
fighting. Our police is fighting even for the country.
Yeah.
Young understand. Now you know what you go Bruce Magafag 11. Kalang our police.
Yeah.
Poli is there on the left wing. Yeah, so uthomgangaki
It's a 10. 10 hayi angimncishi mfethu mina he was the player and angengimbonayo ukuthi if you gonna get the goal police is gonna score.
yeah. That's a high rating, Mr. But I agree with it.
It's a 10. If I can give Hoto a 9, why not score police? Because I think he was a man of the match.
Yeah. People will say I'm giving him a 10 as well, but I gave Hoto a 9 and he was man of the match. Mina, Hoto, you know why? Because I'm seeing him as the most improved player.
Yeah.
From where he's coming from, I thought a second and I sang touch. Because now I was one of those guys who just wrote that guy off to say we need to find the left back.
Yeah.
At this time, I think he can give us one more season.
He can.
He can go to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't think so?
No cash now uzobona next season.
Cash definitely. Cash he
No,
must.
it's-
Cash he must. Yo, he must.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't think it gave us one more season?
I can.
I can
Not
do
to
it all.
show- not to show kabuhlungu. He can.
You agree with the 10 out of 10 for police?
I mean, I think him 8.
8, yeah.
Okay.
80, 50 still up there. And our number 10 of the team is Mnambuti Chong.
Then I love the combination I cannot come out. I still say now. That guy, I'm telling you, you saw the goal really.
Yeah.
Some credit to really. It's coming from De Jong. But he's playing a good pass. Edlula player i3. De Jong is coming from the side. Uthi pa kuyadliwa kini lokho. Nali player liyadlula. Delivers a cross to Tolu Skomot. Tola police. Then relay goal.
Yeah.
But the 10 le akayishayile there. That's a semi assist yakhe nta. That's a semi assist yakhe. You saw the goal.
That's what the goal.
That goal lakarile. Iphuma ngahapa on the right. Kodwa ile nta police akayishayile. Mara liphuma ku De Jong. That run is good. Ibhekele ya run le yadlula abantu abangaki. 3
But
people.
that goal, Redding tried to shoot.
I know, see,
It ricocheted and then came to you.
Sure.
So it wasn't like a
Yeah, like
beautiful
it was-
build-up
Yeah.
play to say you credit Uti Jong.
That's why right now see.
Minal credit him. Yeah, it doesn't like Vele on paper and on what, but Minal credit him. Because if it didn't cross that ball, we were not going to find that goal, and we needed that goal so much. Ntanga ngithi ngiyacela futhi cela uyobheka le run le umbatha kamphasayo ukuthi idlula abantu abayingaki. And mesingakhona ukuyenza igame lonke. De Jong usipha special thing. Evala wena dlula wena. Buyisa ibhola sinenhlanhla police norile baseboxini uyashaya police goalkeeper buyisa. It's a goal. For me De Jong is an important player for us. You understand? Because he's versatile. I'm gonna tell you, he's not only number 9, can play number 9 and number 10. And I still emphasize this. Him and Skomota, first half for me, they gave me a good combination. Because if Skomota ile endaweni zakhe lezi engasithandi, apolice De Jong uzosicover lesa space. And I like what the coach is doing. Gradually, uyamfaka in the team. Believe you me, makuphela isizini uzobe naye sesilokoloko simbiza ukuthi sicela ufaka umlungu tu. Yeah.
You know, Mr. Mnambo, I don't think he had like a marvelous performance. The way you explain I see it's heading towards for my 8. I mean, that guy, in fact, there's a 10 cost. I'm still saying it. In fact, I have a lot of question marks that he needs to answer. It's still early. We'll give him that. Because a lot of players, in fact, they win you over time.
Sure.
But at this time, I'm not convinced. In fact, it's too slow. In fact. he's too slow. Sometimes he holds us back, young tall. And I think even
Tito is
PhD.
slow. Tito is slow. So ukuvala. Tito is slow.
Nah, Tito is not slow.
Tito is slow. That's why, like, I want you to see something. That's why abantu bahlele
It's
bathi,
not
Tito is slow.
No,
Ukuthi like Tito is fast.
He's not fast, but alright.
He's slow.
No, it's not. Umuntu slow uTijong. I want Tijong
Yeah.
is slow.
Mina ngithi
Tito.
namabhakaniya. Tito is slow.
Yeah, Tito,
Tanga,
no,
Ibola,
Mr.
no PhD ushilo. Ibola is not played by speed. It's
Yeah.
played by understanding. You must understand.
I'm not
ukuthi-
saying Uti is played by
My
speed.
man,
Nah, miss.
you must understand ukuthi okay manje ngisendishini. I
Yeah.
must get a good pass. That's what you must get. I shouldn't be fast or what. I must understand ukuthi lapha engikhona. I must get a good pass. That's why I even say the runner at Young is good.
Yeah.
Le yakaphaso umbatha. Akusunoma ubani simanglimanga ukashapa kaneli. You understand? For me Tito is slow ukuthi he understands football. Same as Dion. That's how I
So
see
you
it.
say Tito is the same, like Badlara at the same pace, not Tijong.
It akusi same pace. You know why? Utiyong akanaso the stamina sakatito off the ball or on the ball. But like Utito is not a fast player. So as
He's not a fast player. We cannot agree. Uti is not a fast player.
and it's not averaging. That's why I'm saying Tito is slow. For me, Uti
Okay, but you say Tijong is lower than Tito.
yes, I can say that. But
Yeah.
that's why I'm saying to you, my thing to you is not about speed. It's about understanding. Ukuthi manje ngila. Manje into ekumele ngiyenze. That's why umbheke most of the time uzama ukushaya i-10 emabemka ibhola adlala i-1-2 Dion. You'll see that sometimes they span, sometimes they span. So for me, when you play there, it's not about being fast. It's about understanding ukuthi ngekuphi and fanele ngikhiphe ipass ekrem.
Yeah.
That's how I say it.
Yeah. So for me, Mr. Mlambone, you can be slow, ne, ghost. Naturally be slow, Antoine.
Yeah.
But your presence of mind, young Todd in danger. If you see or someone is coming from the back, release it quick.
Yeah.
Not someone is seeing someone is at the back. Utla o.
Yeah.
Like it. That's a slow player for me. That in that number 10 position, let's be honest. You won't succeed in there.
Yeah.
There you want someone who's very, even when you are slow, ghost. But if you see a situation needs agency, act agent.
Sure.
Understand? Master Chef is like that. Master Chef is slow natural. But when you see this situation, it's an emergency. You'll see Master Chef. What of like tape if like one so like 50.
Yeah.
Dijong is not that type of player. What like trapper, Atene,
On that 10
I
position, if it's that guy doesn't rank higher than Shenko.
it doesn't.
That's why
For
Kieran
me,
fit to that
it
signing
doesn't.
as a 10. For me, it doesn't make sense. Ronald 10 second, I'm with him in fit.
Fana paru versatile. You can say as a 10 only.
That's why Kieran as a 10. Wabon. But then he go 9ing maybe. Wabon. But as a 10, you can't tell me we bought that guy to play 10.
I don't think. Not if our coach sometimes he persists on seeing his own things.
Sure.
But for me as a 10, I don't think he's going to succeed.
Yeah.
You must try him as a 9.
Yeah.
I've seen him now long enough to say, and this guy is not a number 10.
Can't
For
be.
me, I can't be. Mr. Mlambo keeps saying combination
saying to
evidence mahopa.
I'm saying to you,
I don't see it happening.
if De Jong was not there, I'm saying that, and akusunoma ubani actually.
Mr. Mlambo.
Okay, ngiyayinweba. It's fine.
ngiyayinweba.
It's fine, ngiyayinweba. Ubani oshale yarana ethimini yethu. Ngithi hambe uyochecka le umbatha udlulisa ama player ayi3 ngebhola eli1.
Go i-rebound Mr. Mlambo ngeke ufuna ukuthi
Sharp, but like ibhola ukuthi lifike lapha kanjani. That's what I'm saying. Police could have scored naye. Phela uthi Young mekathi uthola uskomota but.
ufan right naye uzoforced ukuthi mara le bhola lisuswe yimi esayidini ngalifaka esiswini yabona
Awususwanga
ukuthi manje
uFan Rooyen.
wangithola uretlo ba 3
And even the ball that he's trying to play to Scomot, you see he was offside there.
Skomota was offside.
He was miles offside.
Sure,
miles.
sure,
You can
yeah.
take it there to say
Skomota was
kahle
offside.
le bolo leli.
Niyakoma.
Bam defend him savely.
Sure.
Yamthola cause that was an offside ball.
Komota was offside, but De Jong is not on fault ukuthi mekazama ukushaya i-cross. I-cross igcinela end up. egolini. Mina that's what I'm saying. The like game
But
it
that
was,
was not his intention.
I'm saying mina the like game it was
intent yakhe was to play a player that is offside.
Yeah, it was
That
to
we-
play a
that we can-
cause.
So
Intent
you can't now give him credit to
Ngithi
say
mina.
that was a beautiful ball
Ngithi-
because now
ngithi mina.
that
ungizwe umamela ungizwe ngithi mina
Yeah.
lela goal leya it was vital for us. If De Jong didn't play that run ngeke sithole ngisaselapho. Ngisaselapho. If De Jong didn't play that ball mesizokhala nge1 kube siyakhala manje ama player wethu awakori in I'm telling you ngilanga
What's that Julius Malemana Lucho Slare Samsuthu ke lekgowa.
like dog
Oh, it's getting too much crazy because it's white.
Puti
What's on now? What I've realized about
it's
Mr.
not
Mlambo.
there.
Once he decides on something,
Sure.
It's
he
not
doesn't want to track back. Sometimes when you see you, this
Can I
thing
ask?
Yeah.
is not
Can I
one
ask
tone.
you?
Yeah.
He say
Can I
it.
ask you?
It's one tone.
I decided go CM good is playing wrongs. Didn't I change? Mina, I'm telling you what
So,
I
what's
see.
so difficult
So
about
now,
changing now?
So I need to when are you saying if I've seen something, angeke ngisafuna ukushintsha kuyo. Ngiyakubonisa ukuthi ngayibona lento leyo ku CM. Ngasho ukuthi u CM unamawrong abhaya ngiyincane lento yakhe.
He can say it
But-
for the second time.
So,
we
so
won't charge.
no,
Mr. Mlambo.
bheka, mamela. Mina I'm giving you what I've seen. And what I lento ngiyibonile puti. Angeke
So will you
ngishintshe.
put De Jong over Tito as a number 10?
It's based on the games. I always answer you one and the same question. It's based on the
Against
games.
Polokwane City, would you play
Mina I
De
didn't
Jong
see
over
ukuthi De
Tito?
Jong adlala. I didn't see. I even told you when it's pod.
Or you put Tito over De Jong if it's
I
Polokwane
would
City
put
versus...
Tito. My first 11.
If it's
predicted
Richards Bay.
is my predicted 11. It was Tito.
Okay. If it's Mamelodi Sundowns, okay, let's change.
My
it.
predicted 11. It was Tito Nagu Sundowns. If you can go
Okay, if you're
check.
playing Chiefs, who you play?
It was Tito. I'm telling you.
So
ukuthi-
where are you playing De Jong?
So,
I
I'm
need to
saying-
tell my game are different.
Izwa, I'm saying to you. Mina uDe Jong mengizomfaka as a second angazi ngimfaka uPredicted 11 yami. Mengizomfaka as a sub impact players as ucoach wethu ahlala asho. Mengizomfaka as impact players. But if ucoach umfakile is doing right things, I must credit him.
No, I need to Mr. Mlambo, and you're saying it depends on our game.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to understand would you put a De Jong in a high intensity game or in a low intensity game? Because you have, let's go say, so you have a
Sure.
lot of number 10s.
Yeah.
You can put Relay there, you can put Tito, you can put Master Chef,
Sure.
you can put Shenko and so on.
Sure.
What I'm trying to get from you, if you element that this guy is too good as a number 10, would you put him over Tito Masanga?
Ngiyaphinda ngiyasho. Mengizomfaka as a sub. Noma ucoach amfakile la. I didn't say De Jong is good than Tito. So mina I'm analyzing based on the game mekadlala. Angithi mekangenile uye mekangenile.
Yeah.
We're talking about him. I'm analyzing izinto akazenzayo. Ukuthi Kilikhuwa it's not that. Mina I'm seeing what I've seen and then I'm giving you what I've seen. Ukuthi nina nibona kanjani? Angazi. But mina ngigaya lento engiyibonile.
Yeah.
And into engiyibonile lento ngayo.
But okay, in terms, Mr. Mlambo.
Wabona ke re ibalile question yo what
Ibalile. Kya bona look at lo motho ibalile.
What never worry if you have your question you have your
And
answer.
never it's always been Mr. Mlambo doesn't answer this question.
Yeah.
Boxer nini. It's when you want me to answer you. I shouldn't answer the way which you're expecting me to answer you. I must answer the way I understand you. Which is that's what I'm doing.
A yes or no question, Mr. Mlambo will not say yes or no. He'll,
Sure.
he'll expand and say
Bayangboxa.
there's no answer.
And
He'll
sometimes
box in me.
umbuzo opinion yakhe yabo what do you see wabona and then
Hey.
you must follow it up hayi wayijika jwalo
Hey, Anton.
Bayangboxa la bantu.
But in terms of rating,
It's a 7. For me, Ndanga, I love the combination I can Skomota. I still say now. If Skomota get there, we again dog. That goal, Lilia Laga read. Good run. Washai play a la Lula, Wakrosi Paula, then we could keep our save. We got a goal. I think he didn't have a best game, but he was there. He was fighting.
I'm leaning more towards a 6 ghost.
now for me it was average a 5
A 5, ne?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm changing it. I think it's a 5 as well. That's
Yeah.
average performance.
yeah
Moving on to Manasseh Cisco Mota.
ngwana tonight score mfethu.
Yeah.
Score. Mina ngikhala ngayo. I even said the first one I heard you it was bad. Angikhalanga kakhulu I won't lie to you.
But I rectified it, Mr.
Yeah, no, like saying yeah, you did rectify it even today. Ngithe ngikhala ngayo kakhulu ile la kambatha.
Yeah.
Because mesekalimele lapha. That's when he was supposed to score. Ile ngikhala ngalo kakhulu. Score kada.
Yeah.
Lokuqala yabona the second one.
Yeah.
Dambi lo umuntu sekalimele ibhola. Askisi. Akalibhekanga nepani. Sekaveze uyaheda nje. Score man, sekumele silela ama penalty no.
Yeah.
They was supposed to score mfethu. Score malaka, score mota, score mfethu siyahamba. You understand? I think intango score mota mfethu kumele nokisho lento. Kumele convert amanye ama chances for abantu to respect him. For me he finds himself he got 2 chances there. Vital chances. Score one ke. Sizo respect. Ukuthi abantu bahlale bathe ngwana sesi in. Sometimes now was bethela leyo nto yangithwala. Didn't think he had so much akayenzile kule game, but those 2 chances for me were vital and for him to score. Yeah.
Rating.
Kai average. It was a 5.
Oh, that's an average from Mr. Mlambo. Mupagani. Let us know what you think about Mr. Mlambo's rating. Ghost, what do you think of the 5?
I think it's being lenient, in fact, to be honest, in fact. Those 2 misses were bad misses. In fact, or maybe, in fact, that's a bad miss, in fact. That should be a goal, in fact.
That should be a
one-on-one, in fact, with clear on goal. Or striker, in fact. Telling a man, in fact, on option keeper is really, you can chip the ball, or come shaka tipa, in fact, you can't miss that goal. Scoking nil, in fact. We need a goal.
Can do anything.
You can do anything, damn. Fit kimotla mlor bonsor nage striker. Yeah. One Kiamunka Alaska. One I'm cheap. One that fella we inside tabi. Unlike just throw a food at it. One or marke rail.
I wanna telling a man, Gupula and Mr. Blam. Good I criticize about radio man.
Radio man, yeah.
Telling a man to relax.
Sure.
I mean, I was expecting something like that from Mr. Mlam, but you don't get it, obviously.
You know.
Ukuthi yabona ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi umremi nizomganga ke.
Wabona lele ya hira ka.
Yeah.
Wabona le that hira. That's a bad miss.
And I'm even saying
Donna, like that's a bad miss. You're on the line. Go around fit.
Yeah.
In fact, this Komota fit must be serious. In fact, he must be serious.
rating.
Skomota Fitu is not serious for me.
Hey, kitty choke.
That guy is not serious, in fact. Because we cry, or Skomota beyond the box.
Sure.
He finds himself on the box.
Yeah.
What does he do?
Howl.
Once or like it, that chance goes. That's also like initially I said it's bad. But there's something that Mr. Mlambo always says, which you must know your players. That thing kicked in to say, it's common. If it was really, I'd say it's a bad miss. According to his standards.
If it was Butuma, what were you going to say?
Mbutuma Lena, I've been saying, Mbutuma Lena. You know why when I'm Mr. Mlambo, I'm not at that point where I'm at Mbutuma. Mbutuma get just K. Skomota, I've been seeing him for seasons doing the same thing. So Mbutuma Agiri just came, and Mbutuma, look at him. He doesn't go at the sides that much. And he buries some chances. Skomota doesn't bury anything. He'll bury there and there. I know you're going to jump and say, against Kaizer Chiefs, he buries there and there. But for me, for a striker, not. His ratio of conversion is very low. I'd be interested. Someone who has the stats. Can you show us stats? Evidence, Mako.
Let's watch the ball. But akadlala ama full games.
Yeah.
Also, that guy.
Akadlala ama full games. But we've seen him playing a lot of full games, Mr. Mlambo. Let's be honest. A lot of full games. His conversion rate, you can tell. Or Skomota fit. He's not the answer to our prayers. If it's good for me, one time. That one, that's why I'm saying I won't even crucify him for that first one because he even made it himself. At least it was on target, once all. But if you say it's bad, I take it. It's a bad one. That's what I said initially anyway. Once all. But that one, if it's that one,
Yeah, hit.
Mr. Ramwalanga, ghost. Ghost tanga like if it's come on, guy. Take a sirag, you don't want to be sitting here analyzing these things. That's a bad. That's a bad meat. How can you head it to a defender looking at him? Like this guy is Komotari, this guy is here. Once all. He's heading straight to more shibling thing.
No ambition, nothing.
Every nana is that's a beautiful eyes. You can see all of it. Mbata did everything he could to play that ball.
Perfect.
Perfect ball. Once all. How many times have we sat here, Coast, and criticized Skomota with the same chance?
Finishing, yeah.
Just score that thing.
Yeah, it's a lot. And then when you question ability,
when I question ability again, Mapagania will come for me on the comments.
The thing
and
is,
say,
Mina, sometimes you guys,
ability.
you're not fair. Mina, that's what I see. Sometimes you're not fair.
Yeah.
Mbutuma naye. You saying Mbutuma neska. Mbutuma uyamei support. Mbutuma uyawathola ama chance. Uyamei Mbutuma. But I wouldn't hear you ask about ability ya Mbutuma.
No,
So,
Mr.
that's my
Mlambo,
problem.
Mr. Mlambo, but I need to know Skomota, I've seen him way longer than Mbutuma just came. And when I see Mbutuma, I can already see, and I said it, Mbutuma and I, we might need to go on the market and try to
But
find.
you don't ask about ability.
Eh?
You just say, Mbutuma, it's a miss.
You know why?
Yeah.
I haven't seen him that long. That's what I'm saying. I'm not at that point yet. Let me see him over time. Let's give him at least this season and next. But I have a lot of questions and they're not answered as well. That's why I'm saying let's try Tichong there. But in Tanga, moving to Skomota and Tanga, you can't give him a 5. And Tanga, let's be honest.
I give him that.
And Tanga, you can't.
Maka, give him.
Mlambo, come on. Mara Mr. Mlambo, sometimes I'm emotions.
Mina into engikhalisa yi-1 mapakani. Mina ngikhuluma into engiyibonayo. Like I'm speaking about what I've seen, Tang. If like ushi rating yakho, ngiyayivuma mina ngeke ngokuphikisa ukuthi why you saying that. If maybe
you
like
can question.
I question as you questioning me. Take nothing away. You're right about saying that. But mina I've seen the average performance there. Because if he converted those chances, mengizomnyusa. Ilawo ma chances lawa ayi-2. What else did he do? Umbona defender lapha kuphela. Yini?
But
Fitzy,
we're
but
judging
that
him on
speaks
those
to
two.
that,
Yeah,
like
we're judging him on those two big chances, Mr. Mlambo.
Yeah.
Those are bad. If you're a striker, you don't expecting you to shama somebody to
beating people on the side.
To take your rating up. That's all. We're gonna rate you on those chances that you get on the
got,
ball.
yeah.
So and so like if you get those chances and do your own thing with it. I mean, come on. If you're saying it's a 5 with it, that means even the next game won't
Yeah.
you won't play on merit in it. The 5 is an average performance. So
Yeah.
and so. What do you think? Would you give him a 5 as well?
I'm fit. I was thinking maybe Mr. Mlambo tla go bo 2 fit. You wabona bo 3. Wabona.
Yeah.
Yeah, fit. Skomota was not impressive.
Yeah.
He was not impressive at all.
A 3 for me.
Yeah, let's give him a 3. Yeah, he must improve.
I really must improve. And I think in the PhD, and I was shy from it.
Yeah.
He
But the
wanted to
thing is,
criticize
my
him.
problem it's you guys.
He was that.
Ngifuna ukuzwa masifika
Yeah,
kumuremi. Ngifuna like I want like you guys do not have fairness.
6-9. Moving on to our sub, Pundanga. The first sub, Mbutuma came in for evidence. Mahopa, 62 minutes.
I think Tanga coach Shama sap ngesikhathi esikran.
Yeah.
Muthuma and who konje I think bafake
Apo Nomre.
Yeah,
Murimi.
Murimi, yeah.
because we were dangerous when we played ukungena, especially Murimi was always there finding the balls, was supposed to convert, but I think Umbuthuma naye ntanga yabona mela convert, but is playing so well, and at least we understand ukuthi okay ubani make phethe ibhola, where should I go? And I saw something ngayo ukuthi like yeah seka striker kunalapho kumele aleyele maybe ughost yambo ughost ubheke kanjani amleyele ibhola wazama ukuthena, you saw that one wayibhaluna wazama ukuthena athi uyashaya. I-striker zenza kanjalo, and then I can commend him for that ukuthi angithola at least sekhona lento yokuba greedy, but like into ekumele improve kuyo to convert chances naye.
Yeah.
Convert chances.
How do you think of Mutumo Coast?
Yeah, Mfana Kakoko, I think yeah, he must convert, man. That chance Lena you must bury that chance. Yeah, apart from that one, I don't think he got a lot of chances. And I don't think he was involved a lot more gamey. So yeah. He's giving us these performances lately, and it's not good for him.
Nah.
Yeah.
Me too, fit. But you know, I'd give Mbutu more. Mbutu more fit. He doesn't shy away from being the roughly defender. Once or like I'm learning. Lena is not a clinical striker. That's why I'm saying you need to try someone else there. Sometimes traveling defender, it takes energy from you. And so when you get the ball, it's all a bit tired, and you end up doing those bad misses. And so that means bad misses.
Supposed to score. Angazi uyishaya kanjani.
You know, I'm even thinking what the keeper tried to save it. I'm shy. When I see replay, I'm saying, what are you doing with it? Like, what are you doing with it? Okay, at least just give keeper a straight ball. Young not in danger. Bad means and so on. Overall player, like the ball on Donna, they don't stick in Donna and so on.
Yeah.
Always on so like they don't stick. That's what I'm saying. If it, let's try Tijo on there. Because what I saw from Tijo, and Pagania, they don't really like seeing Tichong there. Because when I do my predicted 11, I came here. So, like, Susalumlu, but in fact, you know, someone that sometimes, in fact, when you're under pressure, I'm quite risky, and then it sticks one all. I like that type of play.
Sure.
I'm realizing Mutuma is not there, young. His performance below average for me, young.
For me it was average ntanga into mina engikhala ngayo, must convert ama chances because I understand the play yakhe now ukuthi okay makenzakala so kumele ngibe va aka convert ama chances, it's gonna be a top striker ntanga. It's gonna be a top one.
You agree with the average?
Yeah, I mean, I've been some guy for.
Yeah.
I think he could have been better. As I'm saying as well, Uguti, like he's now giving us these performances, and for me, it's not good for him.
Nah.
Yeah.
I agree with the 4. I think he was just below average. Even that chance takes him there.
Yeah.
Moving on to Murimi at the same time.
Murimi was dangerous ntanga.
Yeah.
Because it gives me sister ukuthi sine channel esiphuma ngalo ku left. Naye whatever mkhaya ngayo he must score. He got 3 chances. I'm telling you kunelinye ashaya side netting, inye washaya incinci nje kunalela kumele abuyisa ibhola. Mbona ibhola selise side kuthi kanjani why?
Yeah.
It's dangerous ntanga. PhD shayivala nyana. Yangithola naye ntanga must improve, but like we know Murimi makengene there, it's gonna give us ukuthi nama defender yazo. There's this one player or dangerous uzosigaya a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That guy runs. If it mean I like a player that in fact like he shows positivity. He shows that I just came in. I can run faster than you. I have more energy than you. I'm a super sub. Intention.
Sure.
Which mean I just like Murimi. I like his mentality. I like his positivity.
Yeah.
Being a player no blue, what does he ever? Who don't I see like he has a problem with every player? He's criticizing even before again. And I think I'm going to become Murimi because immediately when he came in, started doing wrong things, like missing obvious opportunities. For me, it's a once-off performance, so I won't crucify him too much and say Muremi this more because I'm interested to hear what you have to say about
But
Muremi.
when we analyze the players,
Yeah.
analyzing players based on the game is
Yeah, no, definitely.
So we
That's
must
why I'm
analyze
saying
them based on that one.
yes. That's why I'm saying I'm not at that point to say Muremi, Muremi is not good enough for Muremi.
But sometimes not giving us good performances. Go back to Kazrik. That's why I'm analyzing a game.
Yes. But I'm saying to you, for me to get to a point where I'm at, he has to consistently give me those performances. Let's be honest. Most of his games, either sub or when he starts, he gives you positive things a lot of the time.
Sure.
He even scores. Overall, in fact, when you check all competitions, he's above there. No policy and them.
Sure.
No Tito. So, Muremi, in fact, although he doesn't a good game, but normally gives us a good performances, coach.
Yeah, and you can credit him a lot on also the creation of those chances. So he takes beautiful runs. His finishing was not on yesterday. He didn't have his shooting boots. Nashuta mawaza fela. Like those two chances that he missed. Muremi on his day, in fact, why it's why plug up so he wasn't at his best on that Polokwane game.
Yeah, he's great, Muremi. But I like that about him. You must have at least one player who's like Muremi. Greedy player.
Yeah, at least when he's greedy and has the ability to give us the goals, it balances.
Yeah. In terms of rating.
I'll give him an average 5.
5 for you.
Yeah.
And Mr. Mlam.
I'll give him a 6. Like you know what's making me laugh?
Yeah.
Abanye credit why was there the creation of the chances. Let's do it to everybody. Mina ngiyakhala mfethu. Like mina ngiyakhala. Mina ghost. Ngiyakhala mfethu.
Khala sikuze Mr. Mlam.
Bonke mfethu ukuthi he was there. Uyenzile so. Okay, he missed but he was there. Baphi because abanye sabapha. They were bad misses lawo kaMuremi. Bekane nepali meladle. Meladle ayikayi1 ayikayi2 and akusinde game la izolo. Akahlala ngahle. As much as akho. Yeah. Now ku Chiefs utholile ama chance mekumeladle nokukushayela lawo man. So that's why ngisho mina performance yakhe take nothing away. He played so well for me. Supposed to convert ama chances akawatholayo. That's where I'm at. Convert ama chances a player no PhD ushilo. The only problem with Pirates, we're not playing so bad. We're not clinical in front of the goal post. Yeah. So we can improve there.
For me, Mr. Mlambone, how I look at Muremi, he can miss a lot of chances, but at least if you bury one.
Yeah.
Don't miss a lot of chances and not bury anything.
But that game, it didn't bury anything.
It didn't bury anything. That's why I need to so even that previous games, he has been missing big chances. Sure. But he'll score. Most of the time, he'll score.
But I don't know Muremi.
There's a lot of goals.
Don't 8, 9.
Okay, when Utiuba the top goal scorer,
PSL, I think we did 6.
not PSL. It's
Overall.
this season.
Yeah, overall.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Mnako story. Muremi mfethu. Like sometimes we frustrate, but at least they'll bury one.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, true, we need him.
I get at least to work and then at least it works out, it balances. You can take it.
Sure.
Yeah, and even yesterday in fact, I carry he created those chances. Carry Mr. Mlambo, I feel already. I guys come out that credit.
Even about like
shukuthi udlali ube kule position, but akayiconvertanga and it was a terrible miss. But you can't compare ama-chance athole uscore more than ama-chance
ntanga
kaMremi.
ama-chance kamuremi ntanga go check them kumele kore
Yeah, bekumele akore because umremi.
nali pali livulekile it's on the left yakhe
Bekumele akore because
Ntanga
umremi.
mekakuphi?
Amanye amagoli noma ubani can score that goal.
kodwa mekakuphi
But Mr. Mlambo, are you really like comparing are you
No.
saying Moremi's chances are the same as Komota's
no
chances?
I'm not saying that
What
but
are
I'm
you
not
saying?
saying ama-chances kamuremi mekwama-half chances I'm saying mekwama clear goal scoring opportunities yes akaskomota they were more than akamuremi but lawa kamuremi they were not half chances naye he was supposed to
Yeah.
score that's what I'm saying
But no one said half chance. No one
not
spoke
half
about half
chances.
chance.
But if it Agaskomota, let's be honest.
Yeah,
He's alone.
Kumele abe.
He can afford to even take
An
another
extra
chance, another
chance,
chance, another chance. Asha in the samba before I shoot. One door like it.
Fix.
Nah, with Mr. Mlambo, anyway.
but ngithi mina ngiyaphinda ngiyasho
Yeah.
umremi mekumele abheke lawo ma-chances that's why I'm saying
And
he
sonke sisho leyo.
didn't play so bad
And we are all
I'm
saying
saying
that
he
he was
didn't play
supposed to
so
bury
bad.
the chances.
he has to fix conversion yakhe
Yeah. He said 5, no?
Yeah.
He said,
six I'm giving him a 6
I think I'll just say just below average for me.
Yeah.
I don't think he was that good. Moving on to Tito Masongani, 77 minutes came in for Apolis.
wetito
Wetito. 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 Wetito.
Getito.
Mawija ka.
ndangacheka
Gada really irritated. It's like no Tito. Really irritated.
Ndangacheka.
Well, Tito like irritation.
Sure.
You don't want him to criticize.
Taka di-performance.
Now ka performance. What like now ka performance. What like
And Oshevo reflects. Oshevo ko stadium di mrata jwan Tito. But meets okay.
No, one living for Corada.
Yeah.
Defended with Tito.
Yeah. Hey. Hey.
What did I say? I said 80% of people who go to the stadium they loved it
They loved it. Yeah, they loved it.
ilaba bangayilaba nje
They
abaninkinga
loved it.
nayo
You'll hear one or two when you sit in there and say, Masangani,
Yeah.
Masangani.
nda Tito Tito ungene nge-75 minutes kodwa uthola ama-chances ayi-2
Yeah,
he was supposed to score naye
yeah.
our problem is to be clinical ascoring mara ntangi played so well ntanga like usibuyisile mfethu sesikhala sesithi yo nayi draw
Imagine if Tito like had more minutes. How many goals like
This season?
This season
lo muntu una-6
is our highest goal.
I think u-PSL.
PSL. Yeah.
cabanga bheka
He
ama-minutes
hasn't been getting
akawadlalile
minutes.
Cabanga.
Cabang.
cabanga and lo muntu lo akusi-attack uhlula lama-attack aboskomota la benikhala ngapho abombuthuma ulwa nabo le and umbuthuma ku-PSL akanamagoli abhaya cause una-2 ku-caf I think nakuphi okay ku-PSL kulaphanyuke khona mara uTito uyaba-edge
But what has De Jong done to get an edge over Tito?
like nami there's
Like
nothing there's
like
nothing
De Jong wins it.
There's
For
nothing.
him to get a notch over Tito. Tito is supposed to play there.
you know I always say the same thing
In
ukuthi uTito kumele aqale
mina
mina ngiqale ngisho kanjani
Coach Ntwana wenzing De Jong or from that guy before Tito Ntwana on that game. What has he done?
I don't know, fam.
So should we have the same conversation every week about Tito Ntwana?
It's not fair on Tito.
And it's not.
And it gives you
it's
still-
not.
whenever they are not fair it still gives
I
you
think
this
we must go there and give them a memorandum. The coach as well. If you coach,
Play
what's up?
Tito.
Play Tito mfethu.
Sure.
the
Play
sense of
Tito
pirates.
mfethu. Wanzola. What has De Jong done mfethu?
Yeah.
To have an edge over Tito mfethu.
Yeah.
He showed it again. He came in mfethu. He scored that guy. He rescued
Sure.
us. Even he said it in there. Even Poli went to Tito and said, Tito Mfethu, thank you.
Siyabonga.
Uyangithola. Iyakubonisa ukuthi Tito Mfethu ungene ngale 3 points athi ngeke amaphakanini.
Sure.
Uyangithola into enjani?
And check ama goals akhe this season. So
Crucial.
vital.
Crucial goal. Uyangithola. Very crucial goal.
Angithi mina
Uyangithola.
mangithi uTita akaqale bathi ngiyahlanya.
Ah,
Azobona.
that guy. Yeah. Aye, let's give Tito his flowers, my friend.
Tata Tito.
Aye, Tito, aye.
Tata Tito,
You have your
Tata Tito.
flowers, mfethu. Like mfethu, any condition, uyangithola. Any. Play Tito will give you a performance.
Mawinja.
I'll enjoy.
Amawinja ndawuya shop uyokuthenga ubunje.
I'll enjoy mfethu. How would you rate him, Ghost?
Mfethu, I think it was a stellar performance, mfethu, given the time that he got. I think inkamkaya na yini, mfethu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyamithi ithi mascore mina lungisa. Naye ngisasho. La chance lelantanga.
But he gave us 3 points.
Yes, take nothing away. Ngijabulile for that. Because yazini into engikhalisayo mina.
Yeah.
Phela uTito make eqeda ukumisa so the goal lezi ya. Uyangithola. Mina into engikhala ngayo to our team ukuthi let's convert our chances. Mawukhala ngeSundowns ukuthi la. So wonke lama chances esiwatholayo, Tito, Skomota, everyone. The clear chances aswascoring. Yes, ushaya ngo right, but siyazi ukuthi u right wakhe akusogibela itaxi because ukore ngawo futhi. And he has the ability to do it. You understand? Tito maswanganye rescued us and siyabonga kakhulu Tito mfethu. Through it all amabhakani amanye awamzwisisi. But thina sakuthanda and sakuzwisisa. I think ngizomka 8 because of nalela chance I think he was supposed to parry it.
Yeah. I don't feel like being any negative on Tito. You know, the child overlooked that chance.
Sure.
They gave
And
us
it
3
was
points.
not a bad miss as well.
On all. It
'Cause
wasn't a bad
close,
miss,
yeah.
sure.
And it's
on
weaker foot as well.
Yeah,
right
on
there.
all like that is one.
Yeah.
Afana a 9, if it give him a 9. If
Sure.
even you said a 10,
Yeah.
I wouldn't argue with you.
Sure.
Tito rescued us.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I didn't look at the newspapers, but I'm pretty sure he was the headliner there.
Obvious.
Sure.
Tito rescue pirates. So like, if I was a writer,
Sure.
anyway, I'd put in that.
Yeah.
Or Tito rescues Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Beautiful from Masangani. Keep it up. But guess what? We playing against was it Richards Bay now?
Next week.
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Richards Bay. You'll see. Never.
Uqala, yeah.
Never.
Nice. Yeah.
That's why when you
Story
complain
of the
about
season.
the coach, you complain about these kind of things.
Story of the season.
Because if you remember before Skube, but Makaul and Tito, they understand each other now.
Yeah. That's true. Moving on to birthday boy Mpocha Batsan.
Akukho mekumele ayenze nje mekumele sivale sixoze lapha. I'll just give him an average.
94 minutes, or is it 90 minutes? 4 minutes added.
90 plus.
Yeah.
Moving on to the referee Ntanga Lukolo Party.
Ushintshelana ipenalty. Asunayo iVAR la. Uyikhombile ngithi. Ayikhombe mfethu. Ayikhombe mfethu. Hayi ndakayonda akayazi ngiyenza kanini ke. Shuthi ngibukele TV. Bathi ipenalty. Angazi ngithi ngiyenzani. Hawu sengibona uyenza so ngithi amaka kanjani mfethu. Ulineman uyibone kanjani le yanto leyana ntanga. Okay, like let's be real goals. Ulineman uyibone kanjani ushayelana yenzani.
Yeah, that's boni reaction yama player ukuthi ayahlanya ePolokwane City.
You see, in market to it is allowed in Uref. He didn't say the story of feeling the chest and the thing.
Yeah.
He said it hit here. Therefore, if it hits here, it's not anything. It was a fortunate decision. That one. You know, Mr. Mlambo, it's not a penalty. Let's be honest.
It's not. It's not. Say it.
Yeah, that's
but
not a
mina
penalty.
into engikhala ngayo ukuthi maka school uyikhombile mos. La South Africa school. If uyikhombile.
Yeah. And there's no way that linesman can see that ball.
Kanjani?
Into cala like if it mthoka la.
And
Ball
ibhola
is straight.
lenzakala
Iyoshaya ngayi. Yamthola.
Ubone kanjani?
There is no way.
That's what I'm
Yamthola.
saying.
Yeah, that's why I like the reaction of the player.
Hey, guess what? In between saying, okay,
And
now
basebenze.
these are playing. Okay, young
Sure.
These are saying this. Okay, but it's a kind of a conversation. Nice, I didn't really say it, but you can see the players are complaining. Okay,
Yeah.
let's just say it.
ibasebenze kudos to them but
Yeah, it's a lucky decision.
angeke ngikhale kakhulu kodwa ngo-Mr. Rev ndanga on that game I understand I think ulibambile tight okay unama mistakes naye umuntu unamaphutha I understand but I'll give him a 7.
Take a 7. Take a 7. Moving on to my friends.
100
Yeah.
100
Peter Muka. Our PhD lapha abaculi. Yeah, I agree with that 100 ghost.
Always mfethu ka swasole mapagane mfethu le rona re ipala mo ne re shebile TV mfethu re mentsele mauti so yeah I always say yeah
100 mfethu. Even though it wasn't the best of conditions out there because it was raining, there was no shelter, pula never shine. You see behind the post, and I wanna do like by you got the ground, you got come on.
The old Peter Muka.
The old be dumb, but they can just organize chairs. I don't think that thing it needs budget to organize chairs for them to sit.
Yeah.
It's simple, Mr. Mamo. You organize chairs. Even if you're paying 60 rand to get in a venue, you get you don't have a seating.
They give you.
Moving on to Reading, obviously we're playing against Richards Bay on the Tuesday, Wednesday.
I think 11 or 10.
Yeah, I think it's Wednesday.
Wednesday, yeah.
And how do we approach that game?
Tougher opponents than for us. Baz is good in Mark. That's what is nice.
In.
They always give us problems, those ones. Uma notice us we 1-0 ngaman. You understand? We must go hard on them. Singaba chance, siba pitches nje within 20 minutes yaba pitches asababonisa ukuthi we are big guns, we want to win the league. Yangithola siba guy nje chance ukuthi baphefumule. Because sabapho bazosky problem. But how we start the game Sipho akaqale lapha ya. Think Van Rooyen singambuyisela because yabo uyakhula sibili nayo yabuya by the way mafakani skis askis bafethu engibonile it's a better one for me ngithola I take it ngiyaxolisa mapakaniya mara like sambuyisela uVan Rooyen I think sibili can go back to amasap who to you must start mfethu Bodlela NCM mfethu we don't change defense we've been winning cash and but there I still say Tito Maswanganye must start. That's blue yethu. And asifuni a police really Skomot Mureni ngena second half
police really would you put in Skomot again?
Ngiyambuyisela
Uvambutu.
Ngiyambuyisela
and okay Dijon you say awumfaki Dijon
ngimfaka uDion ngaphandle ngifaka uTito ngiyambuyisela uTito ngifuna uTito aqala ngisasho manje
Tito must start Mr. Mlambo
First 11 yamishintshe ngosibili from the last one
yeah but I don't think Skomot that deserves a start man
then now it start Mbutuma for Skomota and then I would also start Usbilibili for Van Rooyen.
Okay, I have a question for Ghost. What did Mbutuma do to deserve to start?
To pretty much he's putting an effort better than anyone else. So that's why you'll start.
Also for him you give him an effort, not scoring goals.
But even if
when last
I think before the game before the Chiefs.
My question is before Chiefs it was Kazrick. You must remember that. So that's why ngisho ukuthi when last what did he do? Angithi ugosi uhlala emphasize ukuthi players must play on merit. My question is what did he do to start to deserve to start?
Amara ngithi ngikuphendulile nta. Awurongzwanga.
Also yena for effort yakhe it's not scoring.
But there's okay who scored the last game in striker set.
No striker scored.
So what's your point?
So my point is, it doesn't deserve Nami. You
okay, so kungaqali umuntu ke singene C9.
No. My thing is here. you can't question me ukuthi ngiqala uSikomota over Mbuthuma
But
because
mina,
there's
I didn't
nothing
question you ukuthi uqala uSikomota over Mbuthuma. Ngithe mina outstart uMbuthuma.
Alright.
Ufaya ngithi ungibuzile ukuthi would you start Sikomota uMbuthuma or would you change? Ngithi la mina outfaka
Yeah.
uMbuthuma and ku right back ngifaka uSibilibili.
I hear you.
So manje when uyajika riding manje.
Ngijiki
ufuna ukuyenza i-attack kimi manje.
isikula
And
sathekana.
angitoli ukuthi ba.
Izwa sathekana.
Eh.
Siyakhuluma. Ungixolele mawufila ngathi i-attack.
Bro uthi phela wanja mfethu.
Angimundi. Isikula angisianalyze. Mina into engikhalelayo ubheke even the whole board mapakani. Let's be fair. Lapho.
First, it's not fair. Ne?
It's not. Those 20 loves they play, he loves.
But they can give you the same
That's
about
Mr. Mlambo.
Macau.
More than me, Twana. That's
Yeah.
Mr. Mlambo.
But now I can
Remember,
give you the
yes.
same example Ngosiye. I gave you. So
That's
me.
why I need to like you. I need to give me the example.
Yeah.
I'm saying he can give you the same example. Then
Fair.
say,
Which
young
is
dog.
fair.
But would you still say?
Fair.
Would you still say Guti una my favorites now?
Una
Okay, una my favorite.
Yachinja.
Yeah.
Nabo Hotu, singababala.
Yeah.
Nabo Mbuthuma. Like una.
Yeah, but would you say it's not fair?
Yeah, on this one it's not fair. On the striking force, it's not fair. He laugh.
I
That's why I was
also feel
questioning
it's not fair because it's his favorite. You want to tell her as well.
But
And
I hear
and
you.
Fire shares the same sentiments. Would you start Mbuthuma or Sikomota Fire and Fit?
There.
Yeah.
I'd start Mutu.
But I'm not
Okay, Mara,
But
ngithi ngikubonisa point. Why are you not asking Fire ukuthi akana fairness?
'Cause
Why are you not saying
Ah,
Fire why? Why ungambuza ukuthi umqalelani uSikomota? Umbuza ukuthi umqalelani
I'll
uMbuthuma.
answer you. You see why I'm busy saying you're not fair? Because akamfuni uHotho.
So ukhuluma ngoHotho manje. But didn't I say ukuthi ngiqala uHotho manje ntwana? I could just put my lineup. Didn't I start Hotho?
Angithi ngiyayiphinda.
No, I also be
No, I can get them on lineup unyaye. Kichencha Mbuthuma les bilibili fair. That's what I said.
Uyibekile ushini. No, angithi mina
Ukenya riding, ukenya lkho.
Akenya lkho.
angifakanga ngifaka uTito.
Oh, okay, sure.
So mina
Oh, I
ngithi
thought you went with the
but
previous
asiyeke
lineup.
so babona that time. Mina mengibuild up so uyangivala.
Eh.
Mengibuild up ukuthi ngoHotho ngithi ngisa explain uyangivala ukuthi sesiya kuHotho manje.
Yena ngiyakubonisa ukuthi there's no need to go to Hotho because ayikho point yakho ngoba ngimfakile nango
It's
Hotho.
fine because asiyekele.
Uyabo ukuthi
Yeah.
But mina I'm there, let's be fair.
Yeah.
awena uzithandela uSikomota ntwana. That's it.
For me, ne, Big Four. Address to Upolela. And put on Umpochabatani.
Sure.
I'd put ready. I'd still put Van Rooyen over Speedy.
Sure.
I'd put Usiema. As I said, I'd put Umpochabatani. I'd put Ution also on the left back.
Yeah.
That's my back four. No, see Pochain. They still put cash.
Yeah.
For this one, in fact, let's bring back Master Chef of it. Address to Talentumbat. Talentumbat shouldn't play like a run of games.
Sure.
They can easily break down. I'd introduce someone equally with the same capabilities. Master Chef, come in if it, we miss you. And so on.
Yeah.
Left wing, I'd put Udari. Left wing, I'd put a tricky one. Okay, let's start right wing. Right wing, I'd put a tricky one. I'd like to like a strategizer or like a okay, like number 9. Number 9, I'd put Mlu.
Mulungu. Yeah.
Mlu must play there. Number 10 position. Number
Shenko.
10 position.
Shopping a surprise.
Shenko, not Shenko. Number 10 position, I'd put I'd put Utito.
Yeah.
Number 10. Let's bring back
Tito.
Tito. You want us the game, it deserves a start, young sir. Left wing, I'd put Moraine, and right wing I'd put Polipul. I'd give Ore a rest.
Aye.
Mawungathurile mina
fine.
aqale wonke ndanga.
Donna, are you aware we are chasing, Donna?
Yeah, mela cale wonke ndanga, but I feel like some of the games you can just give him a rest, like just one rest. Because he's playing Escotini ndanga, he'll be on the bench ready. I know Tim Remy Lena when he's on that left is equally very much capable.
Sure.
On that right, no one is better than Police on that right.
Imagine Barcelona, Real Madrid on the same number of points, and you are telling us that you are gonna start Messi on the
point.
bench.
Good point.
You are going for the league. Yeah, chief.
Really
I
must
know
be
it. I know it.
Really must be there.
Really must be on that lineup.
Really,
Or
and
police
the
must
police
be on
must
that
be there.
lineup. Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are compulsory. In fact, you can do your things
Good
anywhere
point.
else.
Good point. Actually, then I'd put Rile there for me.
Ube imali engena uzosipana
I'd put
uzombona.
Rile there. No jokes, no jokes.
Nah, no jokes. In fact,
But I'm not saying or Remy is a joke.
yeah.
Remy can be effective, very effective.
But
Sure.
it is better.
Young one.
The last thing you need.
Yeah, Relay is better. And Relay is on form as well.
Sure.
Exactly. That's another
So
point.
yeah, I'd put in your.
I wonder if wise man always changes his mind.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Then, worrying teamwork makes a dream team. or
The
something
dream
like
work,
that.
yeah.
Dream work, yeah. So yeah, that's my starting 11.
Yeah.
You wanna throw in yours, Mkatakata?
What like in your room theater?
Arge Ox.
Ox.
Ubani okata.
Our lock Ghost Remy Joanda.
Yeah, well, okay, not a lot of changes, but we obviously did not get the correct score, so we just got the correct prediction. So beskhuphukanga ama 1 point nje. Still tied on number 1, no fire, and then umqeqeshi lacking behind nge 2 points. Yeah, samlindile.
Angeza.
This one, I'd give it to us again, 2-0.
Give it to us 2-0.
Yeah.
I give it to us 3-0.
I'll give it to us 1-0.
1-0.
Quash. Quash. Quash.
Hayi uzosithola good to Mr. Blam.
Prediction Mkatakata, Orlando Pirates versus Richards Bay.
So far, like from what I've noticed, ka performance I think 2-0 is fair.
2-0.
I think 2-0 is fair. But
God, hey, now I born.
Okay, ya kete khone.
I have a 2-0, but it's a 2-0 written all over it. Yeah, I think from my side, Ghost Kimnati, Mr. Mlamo.
Ngimnandi mfethu asiqhubekeni sibabonisa amasandawana ukuthi sila asahambi this season. Siyathatha.
It's ours.
Yeah, definitely mfethu. Mapakania asigcwaliseni arena bafethu sibulale Richards Bay. Sivaleni le show Mapakania bopha.